Okay, so Umkulugasa decided, and Umkulugasa as well as Ndloso's mom, they have decided that they were going to go to a Sangoma just to find out what is happening with their son, because under normal circumstances, they feel that this is not natural. No natural person can do what Ndloso did. And in fact, it's not in Ndloso's nature to hurt other people, especially his wife. So they believe that this could be spiritual and they need to go and find out what is really going on. And also, most importantly, who is behind all this. So they found the Sangoma, and when they got there, the Sangoma did indicate that there is two women that are fighting for his heart, and the other one was like Juliani Gakolo, and the other one is also he the other one gave him something for him to be the way he is. Now the question is, who could that be? Because now as it stands, the Sangoma did not give actually umhlahlandlela ukuthi at least it's leaning towards Dintle or is leaning towards Madlom. It was just in between that he has been bewitched, but who did it? Nobody knows. And now, wonke umuntu uyanukelela that maybe it could be Dintle because how did she manage to marry him? Or maybe it could be Madlomo. Why is she not bothered about what he is doing? And why did she not go to the police? But at this point in time, nobody knows what is the problem. So the Sangoma now gave amakhambi so that umama kaNhloso can use it, and also just to find out what has happened to whatever that he ate, because whatever that the spiritual healer is saying is that this was given to him via food. So shuktigena, if they give him food again, that thing should come out, it's going to come out. Now the question is, are they even sure that he was given something? Because if it was he not going to lean towards a particular person instead of two? Think about it. But yeah, anyway, so after that they went home, and then bekhona lokuphikisana between the two people, umkhulugasa no mama kaNhloso, so that if ever it was uDintle, the reason could be that bekafuna amshade nakhona ke sekamshadile uhleli naye. Manje if is uMahlomo, it could be her, because manje wamkidnapper wahlala naye wangasho lutho ke, wafika waqamba amanga emaphoyiseni, kusho ukuthi uhambisana naye lonto because uyazi ukuthi yena wenzeni. And then I'm just glad that Mkulukasa said, you know what? Out of everything that has been said, each of us do not have the truth of what is happening. So rather we do not speculate, because in speculation, that is where comes isn't wrong and enzondo engafanele ukuthi ibe khona. So let's just go use Lomutu Leona, watch and see what happens after. Then Umama Gantloso goes home and found Dintle cooking. Then she says, I'll take over from here. You need to prepare for work. And then Dintle agreed. As she was preparing for work, then she accidentally came back and found her sprinkling umut. Now, Dintle says, what are you doing? She says, okay, you know what? Mina no Mukulugasa, we went to see a Sangoma so that we can help Untlo. So Atu Dintle, no, never, not in my house. You are never going to do these things. Kanti wena uyangizonda. If you like me, you could have spoken to me. We could have arranged this together, but you did not see the need to tell me. You just go and get whatever amakhambi wako, and then you come funufunza indoda yami. That's not gonna happen. Not under my roof. Atigena le ingani yami. And I'm going to do anything and everything to make sure that he's protected. Ganti, why are you so scared of us using Lama Kambilawa? Do you have something maybe that you're hiding that we don't know? To know, but you can't just go and get herbs and come and feed my husband without imvumoyami. And she further on says that from now onwards, I'm going to be cooking for him so that I can feed him these herbs, and he is going to be sleeping alone. You will sleep with me. Ha, cabanga umuntu ashe umthetho emzini wakho angali kwayitshontsha indoda kodwa cha. Hayi. Itsenenza ngamandla ke manje. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Madekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi nge n'wina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo a swi tshamisekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that uDintle ubani konje umamazale wakhe, things are not really going well, because she is refusing for here to feed Untloso ama herbs, and Ushayum Teto, and Dintle is not about that life. She says it's not going to happen in my house. So now I think then uMamazala would now get the answer ukuthi yeah lo muntu odlisa unhloso hudinhle, that's why angafuni ngimdlise amakhambi, and that's not true. Oh well, from what I see, it's not true. On the other hand, we've got a false wedding that is being prepared. So Utidi was supposed to go and tell Divet that she is actually lying about the brain tumor. She is perfectly well and healthy, and she wants to marry him. But while she was trying to tell him, he said that maybe let me get some items outside and then come back and give you full attention, because my attention now is divided. While he went outside, a phone call came through and it was saying that it was talking about a wedding. Now Tidi got excited and she said, Lily tubalame, hakuna gore ko mmolela nnete ko mo tlogela a nyala ha setse a nyetse. Ha ke le ka benekant inside pakati then ke tla kgona go mmolela gore bona nna ha ke lwale. So now for me ke bona o kare e tla ba dangerous, but he tshedi ke tshedi ha ke re o itse tso tsotlhe ena ke ba kgona tsotlhe e re a ye ko pele and she's gonna fall, and I will tell you ukuthi ndanixolela. Yes. So she did not manage to tell him the truth, and then now the friend is just worried. Then she goes tells the friend ukuthi lalela, mina I'm gonna give you the instructions of what is it that I want. When you take the instruction, you tell Divet. Divet is gonna give me my wedding of a lifetime, and it's going to be through you. Whether you tell him and make it as it is a surprise, and now I will play the surprise part. Hi, okay, guys. It's lies after lies after lies after lies. Anyway, on the other hand, again, Untutuko is not really doing very well, to a point that Umtunzi also noticed that he's not doing well, and then he asked him, "Guti, mfethu kani kwenzakalani la?" He then lied and said he's stressed about work, and then at some point he will have time and then he will tell him. And mina ngihlelelana ngithi lalela, umthunzi isigebengu samagcina, kube uyamtshela and then uzosula yonke into, because lo he has been isigebengu for days. So if you tell him, then uzokwazi ukuba uphunyuka bemphethe, but he didn't. He left and then went with the 3-month chickens, and then lo munye lo shadile athi lalela, ngicela ningasangifaki endabeni zenu. The bill was paid, but ngicela ningasangifaki endabeni zenu. I don't want to be part of this. Hayi ke omunye ke uyamfonela uNtuthuko is so dear maker. It's like, yo, why bangifonela left right and center, and why have we not heard anything? Kushuthi abakamtholi abazi ukuthi ushonile, and now uNtuthuko is just panicking, uyapanika ngayo yonke into. But again, Ubototo is like, Ubototo is pretending as if he's got it all figured out, but he does not, because now uyapanika chabangani kumele babonane. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Give this video a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed.